Hey everybody, Joe from JO Builds. Today we got this box here. I found these ads going across from Stopbox. They're little gun, I don't want to say safe, but they're a little something to put your gun in. And what I saw that I really liked was that it's not like a combination lock or dial lock. They're actually just a couple buttons. So I ordered them up. Let's take a look, see what we got. So right now they were doing 2 for 1. So you buy one, you get the second one free. Like I said, I like it. Right now my guns are in the gun safe, you know, to keep them away from the kids and everything else. But the problem with that is if I need them, then I have to go over to the gun safe, do the dial. It takes a while to open it up. Then obviously I looked at other kind of like safes to put in just like a nightstand, something like that. But you know, it's either biometrics or, you know, digital. Batteries die. Like this one said, to access it, there's just a couple things. You press down on the lid, you put in your couple buttons, whichever one your combination you choose. You press the side button too, all at the same time. It opens up and should be good to go. So that caught my attention. So figured I'd give it a try. Order them up, especially can't beat 2 for 1, right? So. They had a bunch of different colors, so I got one, this one, and then just a gray. So let's see what it says here. Thank you. So just like that. So yeah, so push these, doesn't open, push those, and this still doesn't open, so you have to push down, push the combo, push the side lock, and it opens right up. So yeah, it's cool. I'm gonna enjoy trying these out. If you have any questions, comments, leave them down below, and Stopbox, check it out. If you're into guns, check out Stopbox, try them out. So far, I'm impressed, so I'll do more reviews later on, but thank you.